Hey lovelies, it's ChristinaJoy and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be showing y'all how I got this voluminous movie star look using BetterLength hair. But first, I want to send a special thanks to BetterLength for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it. I have the pleasure of trying out this 18-inch kinky curly half wig with the drawstring. I did want to show y'all exactly how the hair looks coming straight out of the package. There is a comb attachment here in the front. There's one on the left and one on the right, and then there's also one in the back, which aids in your wig staying secure and in place, because we do not want a wig that just slides off any type of way. And then of course it comes with a drawstring and two adjusters. So of course I had to do a little bit of research, and I love y'all so much. So BetterLength is a hair company for black women that was launched in 2014. They offer a wide range of textured clip-in extensions from light yaki, kinky straight, coarse yaki, kinky coarse, curly, kinky curly, afro kinky curly, and afro kinky coily. All of their clip-ins are 100% human hair. You know we love that. And then I also love that all of their clip-ins are double wefted to ensure that you only need one bundle to save you some coins. We all love doing that. So of course I have to wash and condition it. So this is just me going through that. Once I'm done putting the conditioner in, I am testing just how strong the hair is, but also how it detangles and curls up. In my opinion, the curls are bomb. Once I've rinsed out the conditioner, I let the hair sit and air dry for a few days because I did want to achieve the fluffy, big hair, kind of like Diana Ross look. So we all know that I am a recent big chop contender. So I let out a good inch, about 1.5 inches of the front perimeter of my hair out, and I put the rest of my hair in a wig cap. One thing I will say is that even though this is a half wig, I used it for my whole head, which is very impressive being how thick and full the hair is. To blend my hair, I'm taking the Cream of Nature foaming mousse alongside the Dew texture foam. Y'all know I love the Dew and their foam. I have like 3 backups in my bathroom right now. So here I'm just raking it through my hair and stretching it with clips to imitate the curl pattern just a little bit better. Once all of the sections are done and clipped away, I put some Cream of Nature edge control on and I pin it up with a scarf for about 15 minutes. Alright, the 15 minutes is up. Let's see what we're working with. Now I am just playing around with it to see which part that I do want to do because there is so much versatility with this hair. Here are the final results, y'all. I'm truly loving how easy it is to achieve this stunning look using BetterLength hair. If you want to get your hands on some stunning natural textured hair from BetterLength, but for a discount, I got you, boo, I got you. Use my code ChristinaJoy to save some coins on your next purchase of any natural textured hair. Be on the lookout for a video coming very soon of me styling this hair. Alright, that's all I have for y'all. But until next time, take care and bye.